You've got to be in the market quickly. Python is also a great language to sit on top of other languages.
Richard, what does this mean from a hiring perspective? Welcome to our talent conversation. Tell me a bit about yourself and your role at ProfitView.
Okay, I'm Richard Hickling. I'm a co-founder of ProfitView. We started to bring the ideas of traditional finance to the crypto world for trading, to make traders in crypto better. And I rest this on my career, which started over 20 years ago in traditional finance, always to do with trading, both at stock exchanges, New York Stock Exchange and Euronext, and investment banks on the trading floor, working with traders. So that's what I bring.
Excellent. So we're going to be speaking about sort of the role, and the theme is the role of Python in modern financial trading. So I'd like to ask you, it's well known that Python is slow compared to, say, C++. Why is it so widely used anyway?
Well, there's a couple of facets to that, to answer to that question. One is that, Python originated as a scripting language in competition with Perl. That was years and years ago, but it came about at the same time as C++ was emerging as a language. So it's actually got all the features of C++, whereas it has the sort of the fast development time and this type of thing that came with scripting languages. The value of it is that you can get that code written quickly and out there into production, whereas with C++, it might take a couple of months could be done in a week or so with Python. So that's a big part of it. And then actually most of the modules, the libraries that are used in Python are written in other languages and then exposed to Python. So your Python doesn't actually need to run particularly slow. So you have this sort of two benefits, that you stand on the shoulders of the C++ giants in delivering making the software run, and then on the other hand you can actually get it to market so much more quickly, and thereby beat the others in claiming the alpha that exists in new markets like in crypto where we focus.
And does Python have any particular appeal for crypto trading relative to traditional asset classes?
Well, sort of expanding on what I've said before, in crypto, it being so new, there are the sort of appeal of crypto to traders is this: the newness provides alpha opportunities. It provides arbitrage opportunities with new products, and it provides new areas that emerge almost on a weekly basis that a competent trader can take advantage of and find price differentials. However, if you're writing algos to take advantage of that, you've got to be in the market quickly. You can't wait weeks to get your programs compiling. You've got to be there in at least days or maybe hours to be ahead of the competition. And Python allows you to do that. Python is also a great language to sit on top of other languages. So in the crypto world, there are a few sort of native languages, Python, like Solidity and C++, and there's various others, Rust. Python sits nicely on top of those, and you can get a lot done quickly with it.
So, Richard, what does this mean from a hiring perspective?
Well, the difference between the languages is all about how expressive you can be in different use cases. So in C++, you want to be able to express underlying concepts, whereas in Python, you want to express the intent of the user and how it's going to be used. And for that, you really have to look at how it's going to be used and get on top of the libraries that are going to be used in that area. And that's what the candidate has to be on top of, the specific libraries. For instance, if you're doing trading, you're going to know pandas and scipy, numpy, this type of thing, so you can very quickly write code that's going to express the intent of the trading algorithm.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Richard. and giving us an insight into actually the role of Python in modern financial trading. So thank you.
Well, thank you, Rainey.